Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to add an image to the form and how to show and hide elements based on our code. So select the section, go to form, pick up the image form element, place it anywhere on the screen, upload a picture. If you want the user to be able to upload pictures, then leave it the way it is. If not, for this particular element, you can go to properties and mark it as read only. That way, the user will not be able to upload subsequent pictures. Now, once you have created the image element, associate it with a variable of type image. The action form, single variable. Just to show you, you can see the type of this variable is image. So now we have attached this. Now we move on to the second part of this video, that is to show or hide the element based on our selection. We already have two radio buttons here. Both are attached to the same variable AI action form.status. For the first radio button, the value we have given is hide. For the second radio button, the value we have given is show. Now we move on to the image element and we write the code here. We'll pull up an if block and just put here if this is equal to hide, then ffm dot text, ffm dot type equals hidden, and use an else if condition here. The value is show, then ffm.type would be text. It doesn't matter if it is an image, you can still just give ffm.type equals text to make it visible again. All right, so go ahead and save this code. Yeah, before saving, you're all curious to know what is ffm. So at the end of this, let's just print out the value of ffm. ffm basically refers to the current element. So in this case, when you print out ffm on the console, it will give you a JS object that represents the current object, which is the image object. So let's save the code. Click on preview. Click on hide. It's gone. Click on show. It is visible. Let us quickly click on inspect. Just pulling up inspect here for a second. Click on console. Make sure console is cleared. Let's just run this code once more and see what is ffm. So here you can see this is the output of the line console.log ffm. It basically gives you an idea of the condition that you have written here. What is the data type? What is the ID of the image? What is the variable associated with it? All of these details. As and when we proceed through the course, you will be using different ways, different aspects of FFM. Currently, it is important to remember FFM refers to the element whose code is being executed, all right, or the current element. Thank you.